Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to speed up your laptop speed with power mode. So press the start button and type power and go to power and sleep settings. On the left tab, go to power and sleep and press additional power settings. Make sure you select the high performance mode, which will increase the performance of your laptop or PC. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward, simple process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.